Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to do flexi rods. I've done perm rods before. I haven't done flexi rods in a long time, and I saw this really cool method I'm going to try out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to show you guys the products I'm going to be using to wash my hair. I did use the Biolage shampoo. It's like a color safe shampoo. Conditioner, I use the raw sugar conditioner because it has a lot of slip, and then the deep conditioner I use the Shea Moisture Hanukkah honey and masuka mask or something like that. I'll just have a picture of everything I used, but yeah, so now I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner by tgin, and this is from their rose water collection, and then I'm also going to be using the curl defining mousse as well. Both of these are from the rose water collection. So as I said, I just finished deep conditioning my hair. I'm washing it and all that good stuff. So now I'm going to go ahead and just section my hair into 4 sections. Okay, so I went ahead and sectioned my hair off. Now I'm going to go ahead and just apply some water to this section. That's done. I'm going to go in with my rose water smoothing leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to take a little bit of that, just one little squirt, and apply it to that section. And then detangle it, because you want to make sure you have no tangles whatsoever for this style. Paddle brush, and just detangle as best as I can. And then I'm just going to take a section this big and work with that. I'm also going to go over it with this comb just to make sure like all the tangles and knots are out. So now I'm going to go in with my mousse, and this is the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse. I'm going to apply that all the way to the sections from the root down to the end, and make sure everything is saturated, because this is how your hair is going to hold on that perm rod. So I'm going to be using this is what I bought. I actually changed my mind. I'm just going to do it one little section at a time instead of trying to combine 2 sections. But I'm going to keep my comb right here to make sure that everything stays smooth, because the ends need to be as smooth as they can be. So I'm going to start at the roots, and I'm going to wrap my hair around the perm rod carefully. Just wrap it around, and then towards the end I'm just going to smooth it around with the rest of the mousse, just to make sure that my ends are straight. And then I'm going to bend the top of the perm rod at my roots so that the roots aren't puffy. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and I'm not sure how this is going to turn out at all, because some of the ends end up looking like this, as you can see. So I'm not sure what happened. So if I just did all this for it to come out messed up, I'm going to be mad. But whatever. So we're going to go ahead and take these down. So this is what it looks like with all of the flexi rods taken out. I am going to go ahead and start separating using the PG Hair Care Hair Growth Oil. And I love this one. It smells so good. It's one of my favorite oils. So right now I look like little Miss Shirley Temple. So we're going to try and make this cute. Hopefully. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just coat my hands with this oil and then start separating. Try and reduce as much frizz as I can. I'm gonna try and do it where it naturally separates first. I don't wanna like cause too much frizz. Oh. I'm just gonna wrap that. See, this one was already kind of messed up back here. So this is what my hair is looking like. I forgot I cut my hair. That's why it looks extra short. But I cut my hair before I put in those Fulani braids. And I was like being really scissor happy. If you guys watch the video, I said I was being scissor happy because I just wanted those rough ends gone. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like pick out my roots so that there's no like lines. And just to give it some more volume. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I want it to have like a really circle shape to it. And this is what I'm using. I can't find my pick, so this is fine. So as the days go by, it will get bigger. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at this for right now, just so that I can keep some of the definition without like messing it up too much. So this is the final result.